Hey there! Let's see the use of knowing how many solutions a linear system has. We're going to try to solve this question. There are two airplanes and they are flying in the air. Their trajectory can be modeled by these equations. 3x minus 5y equals 20 and 18x equals to 30y plus 72. The question is this safe? Can the airplanes be flying at these trajectories? Well, to solve this question, we really just need to see if the airplanes will intersect, which means that they would crash, and then that would not be safe. So we want to check how many solutions does this system of linear equations has. What we want is for there to be no solutions. To analyze the equations, it's better to put them into a similar form because right now we can't really see what is happening, but the best way to do this is to put it into the form that you usually see it, which is in standard form. 3x minus 5y is equal to 20, and then this other one, just rearrange it. 18x minus 30y is equal to 72, which is brought over this y, 30y onto this side with a negative. And now we can check if the coefficients are multiples of each other. So let's see that. Well, either you can see it right away or you can try it out. What you can do in order to test this out, you would do 18 divided by 3, which is 6, and also then 30 divided by 5, which is also 6. And the other thing is you'd also want to check these, but first let's write out the fact that this times 6 and this is times 6, so that means that the coefficients are multiples. Since they are multiples, we know that the lines are parallel, which is cool, but are they just the same line? Because if they are the same line, then that means we have an infinite amount of solutions, and that's actually even worse. The airplanes are they're just flying, I don't even know, at the same place, I guess. If they're flying after one after the other, that could work, but you don't know what the speeds are, so still not the best way to fly our airplanes. And so we're going to have to check is whether the constants are also of the same coefficients if we're going to multiply, like the same multiple. And for that we can check if 20 times 6, what that gives us, and that actually gives us 120 and not 72. Which means that the lines are parallel with 0 solutions. That means that they're going to be something like this. Maybe this is not accurate, but we would have the lines being parallel and they will never intersect because, yes, they have the same coefficient multiple, so that means that they're parallel, but they're not the same line. So the trajectories are in fact safe.